How to fix Steam error code E8 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Running Steam with administrative privileges allows it to bypass certain system restrictions that might cause connectivity issues. Clearing cookies and site data can refresh your connection to Steam, especially when using the web version. Select Browsing History, Cookies, and other site data, and cached images and files. Click Clear Data. If that didn't work, resetting your password can resolve issues related to account security or identity verification. If that didn't work, right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, download the latest version of Steam from the official website. Run the installer and follow the instructions to install Steam.